If you're using SAP Business One or Macola, you need a WMS that fits right into your ERP without the headaches. That's why businesses worldwide choose Wisys. Here's a quick breakdown giving you the data you need to make decisions. Integration. At its foundation, Wisys was built specifically for SAP Business One and Macola. That means everything just clicks together. Your data, your people, your operations working in real time. No clunky middleware, no awkward workarounds, just ERP and warehouse management running in sync the way it's supposed to. Function. With Wisys, your warehouse runs smarter. Scan to receive and put away. Track inventory in real time by lot or serial number. Pick, pack, and ship fast with shipping and fulfillment connected directly to carriers like FedEx and UPS. Now add AI. Ask questions like you ask Google or Siri. Drag and drop orders directly into your ERP. Let AI find the best box and configuration for your shipping. Get an optimized production schedule built with your inventory, your people, your machines, and then when availability changes, so does the production schedule in seconds. ROI. The proof is in the results. Manny and his team reported $1 million savings over a 2-year period. And that was before our AI launch. Scalability and flexibility. Whether it's one warehouse or a global network, Wisys adapts. It flexes to your processes, fits any industry, and scales right alongside your growth. Implementation. Implementation isn't overnight because it's done right. On average, Wisys takes about 90 days to implement, ensuring your workflows are optimized, your staff is trained, and your system is set up for success from day one. Once you're live, your team will love the user-friendly tools like scanners and mobile apps built to make their jobs easier. Support. For over 20 years, Wisys has been trusted by manufacturers and distributors worldwide. We don't just provide software, we're a partner with expert support, industry knowledge, and a commitment to your long-term success. If you're ready to enhance your warehouse or optimize your supply chain, it's time to unlock the full power of your ERP with Wisys.